Good morning P3. So today we are going to start exercise 6C and we will do 6 questions of this exercise today. So let's start question number 1. The statement is in each of the following cases make the letter in the brackets the subject of the formula. Subject of the formula means simply you will calculate the value of y and dA. So how we will find out? Let's come to the solution. So this is question number 1 part A. The equation is ax plus by is equal to k and the subject is y. So by is equal to ax becomes negative on the other side, k minus ax, and then b will be divided on the other side. So the equation becomes y is equal to k minus ax over b. This is part A. Clear? Simply you are supposed to find the value of y. Okay, calculate the value of y. Subject means calculate the value. Part B is PV is equal to nRT and the subject of the formula is n. So RT is multiplying here, it will be divided on the other side and n is equal to PV over RT. Part C, 5D minus 2D is equal to 3C and the subject of the formula is D. So minus 2D is equal to 3C minus 5B and then D is equal to 3C minus 5B over minus 2. Then this minus will be multiplied by the both terms 3C minus 5B and alphabetically B comes first, so we will write 5B first and then 3C. So 5B minus 3C over 2. This is the answer of, this is the formula of D. Part D, R is equal to M into A plus G and the subject of the formula is A. First M is multiplying here, so M will be divided and G is positive here, then on the other side it will be negative. So A is equal to R over M minus G. So this is question number 1, part A, B, C and D. Now look at question number 2. The statement is in each of the following cases make the letter in the brackets the subject of the formula. Again the same statement as 1. So part A, B, C, D. I will do 2 parts of the question, then remaining you will do it by yourself. So let's start question number 2 part A. The formula is A over M is equal to B plus C and the subject is A. So M is dividing here, so simply M will be multiplied on the other side and the formula becomes A is equal to M into B plus C. This is part A. Now look at part D. A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus B into H and the subject of the formula is B. First 1 by 2 is multiplying here, so it will be dividing here, so it will be multiplied, it becomes 2A and H is multiplying here, so H will be divided, so the equation becomes 2A over H is equal to A plus B and then A is positive here, then on the other side it will become negative. So the formula becomes B is equal to 2A over H minus A. This is part D. So part B and C you will do it by yourself in classwork. So this is question number 1 and 2 of exercise 6C.